Hello, so driving tests and driving lessons in London and other parts of the southeast of England are being suspended. There's just been a new Tier 4 announced, which London and other areas are entering, and under this tier, driving tests and driving lessons will not be allowed. I don't cover London, but I thought I'd make this video because I know a lot of instructors that watch my videos do cover London, so I'd love to hear from you and all the learners around the London area. What do you think of this? Is it a good idea or a bad idea? I'll be putting links in the description and in the comments to official DVSA documents on this. The news has just been announced by the Prime Minister at 4 PM on the 19th of December 2020, so I'm sure you'll see more about this on the news, but they don't often mention driving lessons and driving tests, so I thought this is a good place for people to get together and discuss things and talk about what's going on. If you want to see what a driving test is really like, check out these videos on the screen now, full of hints and tips on how to pass for when tests become available again. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.